Everyone, today we're going to tackle the question, how do you collaborate with other people on a patent? I am JD Houvener, owner and founder here at Bold Patents Law Firm. I'm a patent attorney. I've been helping inventors for over 10 years and have helped them get almost 400 patents issued as of today. I'm also the author of Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents. Take a look at that in our Inventor's Kit below. So let's tackle this question. This is a really good one because it comes up a lot. I would say probably maybe 30 to 40% of our clients are one of many co-inventors. Okay, these are people that have come up with the invention together, right? More than one person. Sometimes it's 3 or 4 people. But usually it's 1 or 2. And the decision about how to move forward in business together is a really important one. Now, aside from co-inventorship, which I think is a totally separate topic, the idea of collaborating with third parties is really the essence of, I think, what this question is getting at. And the idea is when you are raising money or when you're trying to move your product through the concept phase and now into design and market ready to be able to sell it on the open market, whether that's through your own website or through a third-party retailer, you now have to collaborate. And maybe you have to come up with additional solutions, maybe version 2.0 of what you've come up with on the Invention 1.0 side. And let's say you've already filed your patent application, which is usually what we recommend with the co-inventors. Hey, let's get something filed so you can have that major protection, that priority date locked in. And now you have some confidence when you go speak with someone else, maybe a larger company who has more experience in manufacturing this product, making products like this for years. So when you come and approach them and say, look, we're out of money, for example. We need to go raise money for research, to refine, to build a quality prototype. We can't really afford all the tooling or to go build it out and test the veracity, to go prove this out at a mass scale. On the pharmaceutical side, for example, it would be like a clinical trial. We need to go raise some money to go make sure this thing actually works and the authorities can say, yep, this does what it says it's going to do. Similarly, right, maybe on a large scale mechanical example, you've got to go, you test out your new brakes for a large automobile train, right? For a locomotive, maybe you have a new maglev solution for magnetic levitation for train vehicles. You're not probably going to be able to afford that size of a transportation unit. Maybe a university or college could collaborate with you on something like that. But those are collaborations. Those are ways you can work together. So there are 3 major important things to think about when you're collaborating with third parties. 1, try to make sure you've already filed that patent application first, because that's going to allow you complete confidence that you own the idea, no one else is going to take it from you, and you have now got freedom to share exactly what was filed. Secondly, NDA, non-disclosure agreement. It's inevitable that you're going to be discussing version 2.0, like I talked about, the next version, the next iteration, especially when it comes down to testing or iterating on the next manufacturing tool, the way that it could be made even better. And the last point is if you're going to be collaborating with them, make sure that you have a document in place about how you're going to be reciprocating. Whether you're giving money in or giving money out on a return on investment, that needs to be documented with a business attorney. So work with a local business attorney, someone who is in our network. We can make a referral here at Bold Patents because we know how important that is to have a foundation that's rock solid. Unfortunately, we've seen a lot of inventors, co-inventors, and third parties they collaborate with break up. And it's really, really ugly, especially if nothing was written down in advance. So please don't make that mistake. Get with us, get with one of your local attorneys to have documentation, founders agreements, operating agreements, shareholders agreements. Those are things that are vital for your company, for your essence, to be able to move forward and make money, make an impact in the market that you're trying to do with this invention, with your patent. So I hope this was educational for you. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to give us a like, follow up, ask a question here in this video link on YouTube. If you're looking for more information, maybe this is the time when you're ready to move forward. I've got a link below for our Bold Inventors Kit. This has got a ton of information. It's got the whole PDF of my book, Bold Ideas, The Inventor's Guide to Patents, as well as some 2 really good charts about patent research and different types of application drafting options you have, and the Patent Success Matrix. So I hope you all have a wonderful day today. Have an awesome one. Go big, go bold.